a cucumber, we're going to probably use half a cucumber. We have some lettuce that we've borrowed with asking. We're going to use a tomato, an onion, probably about half the onion. And that's going to be our salad base. And then we're going to make a home dressing. And for the ingredients for the home dressing, we have some sugar, some pepper, salt, apple cider vinegar, and red wine vinegar. And we're going to put that in a bowl and we're going to drizzle that over the salad at the end of our making of the salad. So let's get started with chopping safely our ingredients. Now we're gonna cut the onion. Now there's a special way to do this to make sure that the onion is diced properly. First off, we're gonna make little scoring lines this way so that when we cut it the other way, the onions will be nice and small and diced up. Now that we've cut it on that angle, we're going to cut it normally. Once again, make sure that you have your fingers curled in so you don't cut yourself. And then we're going to here we have the whole lettuce. And what we're going to do is we're going to bunch up the end of the lettuce and just slowly cut your lettuce. Make sure first off that you wash your lettuce before you cut it so that you get any dirt or residue off your lettuce, because you don't want to be eating dirt. That would be kind of gross. And you see here, I'm just cutting most of the lettuce because a lot of people don't like the end, and I am definitely one of those people. So I'm just gonna leave the end and maybe compost it in order to make sure you recycle anything that you don't use. We're just gonna cut up a little bit more of the lettuce to make sure the pieces are small. Again, making sure your hands are out of the way of the blade. And then we're gonna put this in our salad bowl. Now we're gonna make our dressing for our salad. First off, we're gonna do a tablespoon of the red wine vinegar, a tablespoon of the apple cider vinegar, a teaspoon of sugar, and I have it in cubes. That'll just start dissolving in the liquid. Next, we're gonna do just a pinch of pepper. Don't do too much if you don't like pepper, because it can be a little bit harsh on your taste buds. And then we're just gonna do a dash of salt, because salt just elevates the flavors in a dish a little bit. Once you've done that, get some sort of stirring utensil and stir it up. Make sure it's all incorporated, meaning all blended together. And if you have a bigger salad, you can double the ingredients as needed. Definitely make sure that you have your parents watching what you're doing, just to make sure you're getting the right ingredients as well as the right amount of the ingredients for your salad dressing. And here we have a nice vinaigrette for our salad. So now we're going to drizzle our vinaigrette over our salad and then just toss it around. I'm using salad tongs just so that I can mix it up as good as possible without getting my hands in it. Once you're happy with the tossing of the salad and making sure that all the leaves and all the tomatoes, cucumbers, and onions have some of the vinaigrette on it, then you can just transfer some salad to a plate. Making sure that you get all the different ingredients in one serving so you can get all the deliciousness as possible. And here you have your vinaigrette salad. Now let's see how it tastes. Delicious! Thank you for watching, and make sure that you make your own salad. Write a journal entry about your experiences, what worked, what didn't, and what you liked about this. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.